Hello everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonga people, today topic na about one guy. We still rest in perfect peace, my people. You get one guy. The guy say when the guy they go out today, e just dey happy. They say he wan go drink tonight, he wan go drink, he just dey happy, dey go where they go, sometimes this life I will just come look and say wetin we dey keep enmity for, wetin we dey say we no wan talk to person wey offend us, or we no wan play with this one wey you no even know day we go break tomorrow. Just see this our brother now, you no know say he go kpeme. He just that day he want come out for his house. He say he just they say yes, I want to go and party with my friends. I want to go and party. I want to go and enjoy myself. He just they happy. Know say no go come back. So when I want to do this topic, we say my people, because so many of us we dey feel say this life. So but I just dey watch some people for social media and so quarrel. We no even know day we go break tomorrow. We don't know wetin go happen tomorrow. But we just dey feel say na so the life. And say it just reach. And so the life just reach. Oh. This our brother, no know say he no go come back. He dey happy, they tell his friends. Say today is party tonight, he want to go flex himself, he want to go enjoy himself, he just they happy, they go. But you know say he want me. Make I put am on our list, my people. See.
Guys, will be going down. We are going to drink in the next few minutes. It's going to be going down. It's Moana's birthday.
Not the year.
We're going to pop champagne. It's going to be champagne shower tonight. See you there. Driving Rolls Royce Wraith. Oh.
Then when they can't go now, when they go, return back. The next thing when we come to see for this place now, where for the talk say he want go drink, today is party tonight. Now meme come meme. He car just burn to ashes. He car when he enter. Car wey burn to ashes. The person wey this side not go survive am. Doc meme. Person wey just dey happy we never taste so. End up meme so. So this life it dey too short for us to dey say I'm not going to talk to this person. The best with this person, my dear. If you just look what can dey happen for this world, no need for you to dey keep enmity for anybody again, oh, my people. No need them. No need at all, because if you just see what dey happen, that's what you see today. Tomorrow you don't go see am again. And so the life just be. So wetin we dey kill, wetin we dey blame ourselves for? Wetin they make us the one blame ourselves we no even know day we go break tomorrow. We don't know. It's our brother now, he don't go like that. Just like that, he don't blame me. Now they see life. So you, when they say, I dey vex with this person, I no go ever settle with him. I no go ever do this, my dear. You don't know they will go break tomorrow. You don't know. You don't know whether you, when they say you don't want forgive person, whether you go wake up tomorrow, you never know. You don't know whether you, when they say, when they plan bad thing for person, make person pay, whether now you go pay before that person, you don't know. So this life, you know, balance. See a person will just this talk now say he want go enjoy himself with his friends, he want go do this. Now he no come back so. Now he no come back. So now see the life, no balance. So what we dey eat ourselves for? What we dey blame ourselves for? What we dey get grudges for? What we dey carry go native daughter for each other for. Wetin dey make us this Facebook saga. This one go say before you talk any small thing, this one go say wan go bring ayelala paper. This one go say wan go do this. If the person payment, you go dey happy. Wetin you go come do? You wan go carry the person property? No. You wan go carry the person a house when they build? No. You wan go carry a property? Or you want as in which post they will come give you? You will come dey happy for social media and say, "E don pay me, e don pay me." You where they plan the payment, you know whether na you go fair go. You don't know. So that is why this life no balance. We have to be careful for wetin we dey talk with our mouth. We have to be careful if you dey swear for person. You where they always dey swear, they wish people death. They wish people say they go pay me. You know whether na you go fair go? No. You don't know. There are some people, they don't, they mind wetin they talk for their mouth. They can't swear whether they swear for their mouth. They can't insult when they come out for their mouth. They don't they control am. You know, sometimes if you just bad talk the thing, you not go know tomorrow when the person will payment they'll say now the swear when you swear for am. You understand? So that is why we have to be careful. We have to be prayerful. See person we just say, I want to go and party with my friends. I want to go and drink with my friends. I want to go and do this. You know, come back. The next thing we will see for that car now burn the car come burn. The car burn to ashes. They burn. So what will they kill? What will they kill ourselves for? What will they quarrel for? What will they get enmity for? And maybe he gets somebody the way he never ever forgive now end up with me. I told you the same matter. So this life I beg. We will just as in not today the life. Not today. We will they do war, they fight, they carry person name, they go native doctor. Not today the life. Not today. So you see, the way this our brother just take payment and may so rest in perfect peace. I see her for Facebook. I put her for my Facebook page, the video. Because I just see him, I say, God, not today. Not today. So you, where get money, we not they eat them for yourself. You dey stingy for your own self. You don't want to use them for yourself. You dey gather around. Maybe you dey gather and you know they buy anything. I beg, go carry and they use to enjoy yourself. Oh, when you there alive, tomorrow you don't know what tomorrow will give you. You don't know what it go happen tomorrow. You can't they say you don't want to enjoy yourself. You dey keep am. You dey keep am for tomorrow, my dear. Enjoy yourself while you there alive. Oh, this our brother. Not I enjoy. We want go enjoy. Now the same matter. So. My darling people, I'm gonna have me give them the last respect. I just want to advise our people. You will know so they get grudges for anybody, they get quarrel, go and settle with the person. You know, because you don't know they will go break tomorrow. So thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only the DJ. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and bye.